review the freeandclear.com Conforming Mortgage Limit Calculator, which is a mortgage calculator that allows you to determine the conforming loan limit in your county. To find the Conforming Mortgage Limit Calculator, simply click on the Mortgage Calculators tab on the top left of any page on freeandclear.com, and that will take you to a page that lists all the calculators available on Free and Clear. The Conforming Mortgage Limit Calculator is at the bottom of the page under Government Mortgage Program Calculators. If you click on the triangle to the right of the calculator title, it reveals a brief description of the calculator. I'm going to click on the calculator title, which will take us to the calculator page. I'm going to briefly describe the calculator, and then I will walk through it step by step. Government-sponsored enterprises set conforming mortgage limits, or maximum loan amounts, that apply to all lenders. The loan limits vary by county and by the number of units in the property you are buying. Without getting into the details, you will typically receive the lowest interest rate for your mortgage if your loan amount is below the conforming limit in your county. Please note that almost all lenders also provide mortgages above the conforming mortgage limits, which are known as non-conforming jumbo loans. But in some cases, the interest rate for these loans will be higher than the interest rate for conforming loans. I'm going to walk through the calculator now. As you can see from the way the page is laid out, the inputs are on the left-hand side of the page, and the output is on the right-hand side of the page. The inputs are the information that you provide or select, and the output is provided by the calculator after you click the Calculate button. I'm going to walk through the inputs and outputs one by one. The first input asks the state where we are buying the property. If you click on the drop-down menu, it reveals a list of all 50 states. I'm going to click on California. The second input asks the county where we are buying the property, and the drop-down menu will contain a list of the counties for the state we selected, in this case, California. I'm going to select San Diego. The final input asks the number of units in the property we are buying. The options range from 1 unit to 4 units. You should select 1 if you're buying a home or a condo. So I'm going to select 1. We've submitted all of our inputs, and I'm going to click the Calculate button, which will produce our output, which is the conforming loan limit in the county we selected. It's important to highlight that you can change the calculator inputs without having to refresh the page. So, for example, if I change the county to San Francisco and click the Calculate button, the output is updated automatically. After you view the calculator scenarios that apply to you, you can click on the Compare Lenders button at the bottom of the outputs and review a table with interest rates and fees for lenders in your area. If you have any questions about the Conforming Mortgage Limit Calculator or any mortgage topic, you can always click on the Ask an Expert button at the top of any page on freeandclear.com, and it will take you to the Free and Clear Ask a Mortgage Expert feature where you can submit your question. The feature is free to use and we never spam. We encourage you to review related resources on freeandclear.com, including our discussion of conforming versus non-conforming mortgages in our mortgage program section. Thank you for reviewing the freeandclear.com Conforming Mortgage Limit Calculator.